Hey, what's up?
Not much, I just woke up and you?
Same here. Still a bit sleepy.
Yeah, me too.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, a little.
What did you have?
Just eggs and toast.
Nice. Coffee too?
Of course, I need it.
Same. I can't function without coffee.
What about you?
I've had cereal.
Just cereal?
Yeah, I was in a hurry.
I get that.
Do you usually eat breakfast?
Not always.
Really? I'm always hungry in the morning.
Lucky you.
What's your favorite breakfast?
Probably pancakes.
Oh, pancakes are great.
With syrup?
Of course, and maybe some fruit.
That sounds good.
Now I'm hungry again.
Same here.
Maybe we should get something later.
I'm down.
Cool, let's do it.
All right.
I'll text you later.
Sounds good.
See you.
See you.
So, what are you doing today?
Not much, honestly.
Just a chill day?
Yeah, I need it.
Same, I'm kind of tired.
You didn't sleep well?
Not really. Went to bed late.
Watching videos again?
Yeah, you know me.
Same here.
What time did you sleep?
Around 2 a.m.
That's late. You should try fixing that.
I'm trying.
Maybe sleep earlier tonight.
I'll try, no promises.
Fair enough.
Do you have work today?
Yeah, later in the afternoon.
What time?
Around 3.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, I still have time.
What will you do before?
Maybe watch something.
Or study a bit?
Study? Nice.
Trying to be productive.
I respect that.
Thanks.
What about you?
I might go out.
Oh, really? Where?
Maybe just walk around.
That sounds relaxing.
Yeah, clear my mind.
I should that too.
It helps a lot.
Do you go alone?
Most of the time.
You like being alone?
Sometimes, yeah.
I get that.
It's peaceful.
No noise, no stress.
Exactly.
Just you and your thoughts.
That's deep,
Haha, a little.
but it's true.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, what about food later?
You still want pizza?
Always.
Same here.
We can order later.
Sounds like a plan.
Maybe around 7?
Yeah, that works.
Perfect.
Do you like going movies at night?
Yeah, that's the best time.
Same, feels more relaxing.
Exactly.
Less distractions.
I'm better mood.
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy.
Me too.
Or sometimes action.
Yeah, depends on the mood.
True.
We can pick something later.
Yeah, together.
Cool.
I like this plan.
Me too.
Easy day, good food.
Perfect. And a movie.
Perfect combo.
All right, I'll let you rest.
Thanks.
Text me later.
I will.
Don't forget.
I won't.
See you later.
See you.